Are you tired of lukewarm drinks at the beach, soggy sandwiches at the park, or hauling around a bulky cooler that's more hassle than help? Have you ever wondered which mini cooler truly stands out, whether you're heading to work, a picnic, or an all-day adventure? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mini coolers tested and reviewed, so you can find the perfect companion for your next outing. From lunchbox-sized wonders to rugged personal coolers, let's dive into what makes each of these products unique and which one deserves the top spot. 5. Everfun Small Cooler Lunchbox. Starting off our list at number 5, the Everfun Small Cooler Lunchbox is a compact and budget-friendly option for those who want a simple way to keep their lunch chilled. At first glance, the design and build quality are impressive for its price point. The material feels sturdy enough for everyday use, and the insulation does a decent job of keeping food cool for several hours, making it a solid pick for short commutes or quick trips to the park. However, after using the Everfun for a week, a few drawbacks became apparent. While the insulation is adequate, it struggles to maintain cold temperatures beyond a standard lunch break, especially if you're out in the sun or need your food to stay cold all day. The size, while convenient for portability, limits what you can pack inside. Fitting a full meal, snacks, and a drink can be a tight squeeze, and if you're hoping to bring along ice packs, you'll have to compromise on space. The waterproof lining is a plus, helping to prevent leaks and making cleanup easy. But the outer material, though decent, feels like it could wear down with heavy use. Some users might find themselves wishing for a more durable version, especially if you're planning to use it daily or for outdoor activities. The collapsible design is handy for storage, but it can sometimes feel a bit flimsy when fully loaded. 4. Sparta Backpack Cooler. Coming in at number 4 is the Sparta Backpack Cooler, a versatile pick for those who want to combine portability with a bit more storage. The Sparta stands out with its backpack design, making it much more comfortable to carry than traditional coolers, especially when you're walking to a picnic spot or hiking to a scenic overlook. The 8mm foam insulation and advanced PIVA liner promise up to 20 hours of cooling, which is impressive for a soft-sided cooler and makes it ideal for day trips, beach outings, or casual sports events. After testing, the Sparta's lightweight construction and adjustable padded straps made it easy to wear, even when fully packed. The 2 insulated compartments are a thoughtful touch, allowing you to separate drinks from dry snacks. Multiple pockets provide space for accessories like utensils, napkins, or even your phone and wallet, while the included bottle opener is a handy bonus for outdoor gatherings. Despite its many strengths, the Sparta Backpack Cooler isn't without flaws. The soft-sided design, while lightweight and easy to carry, doesn't offer the same level of protection as hard-sided coolers. If you accidentally drop it or bump into something sharp, there's a risk of puncturing the liner. The exterior, though water-resistant, can show wear and tear after repeated use, especially if you're rough on your gear. And while the 33 can capacity is generous, overpacking can make the backpack uncomfortably heavy, defeating the purpose of its ergonomic design. 3. Titan Deep Freeze Cooler. Number 3 on our list is the Titan Deep Freeze Cooler, which strikes a great balance between performance and price. The first thing you'll notice is its above-average insulation, which keeps drinks and snacks cold for longer than many other soft coolers in its class. The flip-top lid makes access easy, and the removable internal shelf is a standout feature, allowing you to separate dry goods from items packed with ice. During testing, the Titan Deep Freeze proved to be extremely convenient for day trips and picnics. The external pockets are spacious, making it easy to stash utensils, napkins, or even a small cutting board. The cooler's capacity is generous, and it's light enough to carry comfortably, even when fully loaded. The insulation performance is impressive, keeping contents cold throughout a hot afternoon at the park. One of the best aspects of this cooler is its versatility. Whether you're packing lunch for work, snacks for a road trip, or drinks for a small group, the Titan Deep Freeze adapts easily. The soft-sided construction makes it easy to store when not in use, and the overall design is user-friendly. However, the trade-off for its lightweight build is durability. While it holds up well for most everyday uses, it's not the most rugged cooler out there. If you're planning to take it on rough hikes or expose it to heavy wear, you might notice some signs of wear and tear sooner than with more premium models. 2. Pelican 8-Quart Personal Lunchbox Cooler. At number 2, the Pelican 8-Quart Personal Lunchbox Cooler is a serious upgrade for anyone who demands all-day cold retention and rugged construction. Pelican is known for its high-quality, durable cases, and this cooler lives up to that reputation. The dual compound insulation combining a tough outer shell with a thick insulating layer means your food and drinks stay cold from morning until well past lunchtime. Testing the Pelican cooler in real-world conditions, it easily handled a full day in the sun, keeping sandwiches, fruit, and drinks chilled until it was time to eat. The press and pull latch is a standout feature, providing a secure seal that's easy to open and close, even with one hand. The interior is spacious enough for a hearty lunch and a couple of drinks, and the sturdy handle makes it easy to carry, whether you're heading to work or out for a picnic. One thing to note is that the Pelican does require a fair amount of ice or cold packs to achieve its maximum cold retention, but once loaded, it delivers on its promise. The build quality is exceptional, with a hard-sided case that shrugs off bumps and drops. This cooler isn't just for lunch, it's tough enough for job sites, fishing trips, or any adventure where you need reliable cooling. The only minor downside is that the Pelican is a bit bulkier than some soft-sided models, so it might not be the best choice if you're looking to save space in your bag. 1. YTI Rode 24 Cooler. Taking the top spot, the YTI Rode 24 Cooler is the gold standard for mini coolers. Yeti's reputation for quality and performance is well-earned, and the Rode 24 lives up to the hype in every way. Its tough rotomolded construction means it can withstand rough treatment whether you're portaging over rocky terrain or tossing it in the back of your truck. During testing, the Rode 24 kept food and drinks ice-cold for days, even when exposed to direct sunlight for hours at a time. The insulation performance is simply unmatched in this size category. The Rode 24 is compact enough to carry easily, yet spacious enough to pack lunch, drinks, and snacks for a small group. The lid fits tightly, locking in cold air, and the overall design is sleek and polished. While it lacks a drain plug, a minor inconvenience, when it's time to empty melted ice, the cooler's performance more than makes up for it. Another highlight is the comfortable handle, which makes carrying the Rode 24 a breeze, even when fully loaded. The cooler's weight is competitive, and the sturdy build means you don't have to worry about dents or damage, no matter where your adventures take you. It's an investment, but one that pays off with years of reliable performance. If you're looking for the best mini cooler that delivers on every front, durability, ice retention, and ease of use, the YTI Rode 24 is the clear winner. Final thought. So there you have it, the top 5 best mini coolers, each with their own strengths and a few weaknesses. Whether you need a budget-friendly lunchbox or a rugged, high-performance cooler, there's an option here for everyone. Which one will you choose for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below.